Hello guys, welcome to Civil in Telugu. Today my explanation topic is homogeneous earthen bun with the rock toe and a toe drag. Okay, so this is how a homogeneous earthen bun looks like. Okay, normally homogeneous earthen bun consists of two sides. One is upstream side, another one is downstream side. So wherever the water stores in a earthen pan, it is called upstream side. Okay. So here it is our upstream side, and automatically another side will becomes the downstream side. Okay. So let's move first to upstream side. So here upstream side looks like this. So here is the water. Water will be always stored at the upstream side. Okay. Now the upstream side will be always consist of rock sorry stone pitch, which is laid over the small layer of concrete bed to stay hold them tightly, and which will not allow the water from the storage to inside of the earthen bun. Okay, and we call it is as a homogeneous earthen bun because the structure will be entirely constructed by a local soil or whatever the soil is available. Okay, only single type of material will be used for the construction of this type of structure. That's why it is called as a homogeneous. Only single type of material, whatever it may be. Okay, and this rectangular parts of below the earthen bund we call them as a key trenches, which will be act as a foundation for the earthen bund. Okay, and this is the structure we call them as a rock toe, which will be used as a foundation for the stone pitch. At the same time, it will be help to reduction of soil erosion by the action of waving action of water. Okay, it will be act as a protection layer to the earthen bund to erosion of soil by the waving action of water. Okay, and this rock toe also protects from the tailwater erosion. Okay, and here is the downstream side, where the downstream side looks like this, and it consists of sometimes it consists of rock toe and toe drawing. Okay, and sometimes it does not consist of the rock toe and toe drawing. Okay, so whenever the rock toe toe drawing is not available, it will be looks like the same plane up to the ground level. Okay, when they consist of rock toe and toe drawing, it will be looks like this. Okay, so actually the rock toe will be always consist of a layer of sand beds we will call as a filter, which will be allows the only the water which will be came through the upstream side, and which will be allows to rock toe. Okay, the whatever the water is collected from the rock toe and sand filters will be collected in the toe drain. Okay, the water which are collected by the toe drains will be supplied to the normal natural resources available near to the it. Okay, this is how a homogeneous earthen bun look like. Okay, and a rock toe consists of another purpose on the downstream side, which will be stop the erosion of soil which is caused by the tailwater, which will be came from the upstream side. Okay, so these are the functions, and this is how it looks. And at the top, either the road is may constructed or may not be constructed. It will be depends according to the purpose of the construction of the earthen bun. Okay, this is how it looks. When we see from the front view, it will be appears like this. Okay, the green color will is the ground level, and here is the earthen bun. Here is the upstream side where the water is stored, and here is the downstream side where the stone rock toe and toe drain is provided. look like this. Thank you for watching.